Now that Elasticsearch is running, let's turn our attention to Kibana for a moment. In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to install Kibana on Mac or Linux. If you're using Windows, please continue to the next lecture. The steps for installing Kibana are very similar to what you saw when we installed Elasticsearch. We just need to download an archive, extract it, and run a script. That's it. So, let's get started. I have the download page for Kibana opened up. To save you from some clicking around, I've attached the link to this lecture. Simply click on the download link that matches your operating system, either macOS or Linux in this case. Both of them are tarballs, so the process from here will be the same. I've moved the tarball to the desktop in advance, so the next thing I need to do is to extract it. The easiest way to do it is to double-click the file. I know this works on macOS, and I imagine that the same applies for Linux distributions. I'm going to use the command line though, because then you also know how to do it on a remote server in case you need to set up Kibana somewhere other than on your development machine. I have a terminal window opened up at the directory in which I placed the tarball, the desktop in this case. So let's use the tar command to extract the archive. So tar zxf and the name of the archive, and hit enter. Now that the archive has been extracted, let's navigate to the extracted directory. Starting up Kibana is just as easy as starting up Elasticsearch. All we need to do is to run a script named Kibana located within the bin directory. Note that Elasticsearch must be running for Kibana to start up correctly. So let's type bin/Kibana and hit enter. Kibana is now starting up and should be ready within a moment or two. We don't see any errors within the output, so everything should work correctly. To test it, let's open up a browser and have a look. Since we haven't done any configuration of Kibana, it will be available on localhost at port 5601 by default, so let's navigate to that address. And indeed we see Kibana being loaded correctly, so everything is working. Remember that Kibana is simply a web interface. It does ship with a backend server, which is the one that communicates with Elasticsearch. Everything worked for us because we used all default values. Since the default behavior for Elasticsearch is to run on localhost at port 9200, this is also what Kibana looks for, unless configured otherwise. If you have changed any configuration for whatever reason, you can specify the address of Elasticsearch at the top of the kibana.yml file located within the config directory. And that's all it takes to install Kibana.